Video on a drain, rad fluid drain, or radiator fluid drain, whatever you want to call it, on a Kia Sorento. This one's a 2017-18 2.4 liter. If you look down there, there's that little toggle switch. It turns to the left to loosen, and then you pull it out. And I didn't take off the pan or nothing underneath. There's a dust guard underneath. As you can see, I got fluid all over the ground in my shop here, but I'll clean that up later. But I just put a pan under here because what I did was I didn't take off the dust guard. I didn't take the time to take off the dust guard. That's a different job in itself. If you want to take that off, or if you want to drain it like that, because it comes out over there anyway. If you want to put pans over there to catch it and pan here, that's all I did. I was going to jack it up and go through all the trouble of taking all that stuff out, but I'm just going to clean up my mess after doing what I did. I'm in the shop. If you're doing this on the ground, I suggest taking it all apart and making sure you can catch this all in the pan. And dust guards shouldn't be too hard to take off. It's 10mm bolts, and you just find all the bolts for it and remove the dust guard. It'll just come out once you remove all those bolts. And yeah, that's rad fluid drain on a 2017-18 Kia Sorento. Be safe, be clean, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.